Hey, look, it's Kathy Spahn from the Wild Bird Sanctuary. And you have actually a parrot that's indigenous to the United States.
Yep.
What's his name?
This is Quasimodo.
Hi, Quasi.
He's a thick-billed parrot, native to, or originally found in Arizona and New Mexico. Now they're only found in a small area of Mexico.
He's pretty. Now, they don't really talk like some of the Amazon parrots, do they?
Not as well.
But you've gotten him to say a few things.
He can say hello. What's a kitty say? What's a kitty say? No, hello. Okay. What's a kitty say? What's a kitty say?
Sometimes kitties say hello. What do you think of Larry Storch and F Troop? Did you like that TV show? What's George Bush say? That's right. He says hello.
He meows like a kitty.
What's Barack Obama say?
Vote for me.
What about Senator Hillary Clinton? What does she say?
This is an apolitical parrot.
Yeah, he doesn't want to get involved. He says, why are you dragging me into this?
Yeah, why get me in this conversation?
Good job.
Oh, that's great. You know, in some cultures, you'd be married.
You talking about Kathy or the parrot?
Both.